Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at SUI. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Let's jump into the weekly chart. There isn't a lot of trading history with SUI, but we can already establish a major support trend line over here. So this will be our support trend line moving forward. Whenever the next bear market comes into play, we might be retesting this as support. So it's always beneficial to have these on your chart just in case. We also have a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom over here back in, let me just remove this so I can clearly see the dates. So this was back in August 2024, and the all-time high, or the previous all-time high I should say, was over here in March 2024. Now we clearly can see that the $1.91, which was the all-time high, has been broken, and we're on our way to our first target at $2.65. The next target is going to be the 1.414. So this was the 1.272. Next up is the 1.414 and then the 1.618. The technical target is sitting at $4, and that is a 2x from the current price. And that would put the market cap at around, I want to say $10 billion. So SUI is sitting at a market cap of $5.8 billion. So a 2x from here would put us at $11.6 billion at $4. And I believe that that is doable within the next few months. In my opinion, once we go through the elections in the US, the markets are going to see a pretty strong rally. And if we go to the market section, this is available on Binance, on Coinbase, on OKX, on Bybit, on Kraken, on Gate.io. And there's more exchanges here. So pretty much everywhere you can imagine, SUI has been listed. So going back to the chart, if you're looking to buy into SUI at the moment, I would say you have to hold off on that because you're already very overextended. The RSI has glazed the overbought zone above the RSI of 70, and this is not a very good sign right now if you want to be buying in. Yes, we can continue this uptrend from here, but there's no guarantees. Usually you don't want to be buying when it's this high. You want to be buying down here. So this is where I recommend buying. This is when we were telling people to get into SUI if you were bullish on the project back during the summer. Right now you have to hold off, and let's actually see what levels we can target. So the first one would be the 0.786. That's $1.48. An immediate level below us would be at $1.91. And that is if you want to get in as soon as possible. That would be a retest of the previous top from April earlier this year. Now we also have the 20 EMA on the weekly chart, and that could be another good optimal entry point if we have a retracement. So let's assume the EMA continues following the price action, and then we have a slight correction, a bounce off of the 20 EMA, and a move to the upside. And that's about it for entry zones. We can't really be expecting the same lows from August 2024 at 57 cents because we have to be realistic. Can't just expect a 70% correction out of nowhere just because we want to buy in at a certain price. We have to be realistic. Now, the volume indicator is showing us that there's lots of volume coming in, and this is a very good sign. What we can also do is we can add another Fibonacci retracement, but of course we have to wait for a proper retracement from here. So we take the current local top and the local bottom from July, and we look at, or rather August I should say, and then we look at the 0.236. If the 0.236 has been retested, then the fib is valid. If we're sitting above the 0.236, then we can't really use this fib because, you know, we haven't even started seeing a retracement. But this move to the upside could continue, and I already gave you some targets. The 1.272 could be our first major resistance, and from there we can start rolling over, and after that we might come back down to $1.91, maybe even $1.50, who knows. But this does look like SUI is trying to get to that euphoric stage of its bull market. Let me know what are your thoughts on SUI and its price action. Let me know what are your targets to the upside. Stay safe and goodbye.